What you're going to learn how to do in this video is insert columns and insert rows in Excel 365. Okay, so we'll open up a tab here that has some existing data in it already. We get 3 columns and 4 rows. So inserting rows is simple. You literally right click after highlighting a row, any row. In this case, we want to, let's say, not any row. Let's say we want to insert a new row here. That's pretty easy because it's already there. You just start typing. There's nothing in your way, right? But let's say we want to insert a row in between rows, okay? You have 2 options. You can either select row 3, right click. One of your options will be insert rows. You select that, and now you have a row that appears above row 3. So I'm going to undo that. This time I'm going to, with row 3 still selected, with the home option selected on your menu, you find the cells section, and then there's going to be an insert option. You select that and click insert row. For columns, it's basically the same thing. You select the column. Obviously, if you want to populate information into column D, it's already there and it's blank. You don't need to insert anything. But let's say you wanted to insert a column in between columns B, existing columns B and C. Highlight column C, right click, left click on insert columns, and boom, just like that, you have a brand new column. I'm going to undo that. Steps are exactly the same as what we followed for rows. As an alternative method, select column C. Make sure the home tab is selected on the menu. This time you're going to come over to the cells section, the insert option, and this time insert sheet columns will be available to you. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.